We'll just be dating. Let's see how it will go. Let's see. Let's see. 10 years, we are still seeing. What are we seeing? You will now come and tell him, I am getting married. And then the guy will be like, what were we? Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Frances. I make beauty, lifestyle and a whole lot of other videos that you would definitely be interested in. So please do consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button down below and also the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So in this video, we're going to be discussing my unpopular opinion relationship edition. Okay, I know I have some weird opinions about relationship, and it might be popular to you and it might not be popular to you. So leave your comments in the comment section, your thoughts, and let's discuss. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into this video. Babes, girls, ladies, you are still single until you are married. Okay, see, it happens a lot when a guy asks a girl out and they begin to date for long, maybe 3 years, 4 years. The girl assumes that this guy is her man, this guy is the man, her husband. I'm just sorry to break it to you that you are still single. You have not married this guy. Okay, see, my father will always tell me that we should not go around showing everybody that this guy we are dating is our husband, or showing everybody that we're dating this particular guy, because this guy can drop at any point. This guy can break your heart. He can leave you at any point, as far as he is not married to you. Please try and hide him first. Okay, hide him. Let's just be a relationship between the two of you, not you and the world. You are still single, which brings me to my next point. Ladies, don't pack all your load, all your family property, everything you have, and go and live in a guy's house for months. Please don't do it, because if you do it, the guy will not have any will I say, he will not see any reason to chase you, because you are already there. You're already in his house, you're already in his comfort zone. So why is he not chasing you? He's not chasing you for any reason. Please stay in your father's house, stay in your house as a queen that you are. He's supposed to come for you. See, they will say, ladies, shoot your shot, ladies, shoot your shots. But I don't think this one follow for shooting your shots. Going to stay in his house for months, living with him as his mother, as his wife, or what? What exactly are you in his house? He can throw you out at any time and bring someone new. You are not married to him. Stay in your house till he comes and marries you off, or drop something in your head, as people will say. Then you know, okay, I'm married to this guy. Let's live together. Okay. Because people fall in love and they fall out of love. See, a guy will fall in love today, tomorrow you will not be in love with you. You'll be like, next tomorrow you fall in love with someone else. What is necessary in a relationship is actually compatibility, understanding. There are a whole lot, okay? But then I'll list a few. Compatibility and understanding is what I know that is necessary. It's very necessary in a relationship. If you're not compatible with this person, I don't know what we are doing, because you will tear yourselves into shreds, because there is no meeting point between you and this person. And then understanding, you can't even comprehend what is happening between. So probably small thing happens and then something that understanding can solve, but there's no understanding. You will end up quarreling over this thing till whenever. But you love the person, but you are not understanding the person. So it's necessary for you to have understanding and compatibility. Young people like us, when we just fall in love, you feel that is all is necessary, all that is needed. Please guys, there are a lot that is needed. You can read it up, you can learn, and all of those. I am not a relationship expert, so I will tell you, love is not the only thing that's enough in a relationship. Okay, let's take for instance, you meet this guy and then you vibe a lot. You seem compatible, you discuss, and there's understanding and all. But the guy did not ask you out though. The guy is still there, gisting with you, calling you baby, calling you angel. Your head is busting. In the guy's mind, he's dating you. In your mind, he's just a friend. And then you will now come and tell him, I am getting married. And then the guy will be like, what were we? You were friends, of course, because you did not ask. Guys, learn to talk. Open your mouth and talk and ask before it ends in tears. Okay, there are many stories where the guy will be like, I'm dating this girl, but the girl is like, you're not dating me. That's why a girl's record of a relationship is different from a guy's record, because the guy will say we have been dating for 6 months. The girl will be like, we have just been dating for 2 months. Until you ask, you are not dating this girl. Most times people get married or get into relationships just because of peer pressure. Like, this is what I think, because they get into relationship just because maybe they stayed 2 years. 2 years have passed, 2 Valentines has passed, and they've not been taking on a date, they've not been going out, and then they just feel, let me just go on a date with this guy, let me date this guy. Or they've reached a particular age and they're not yet married. They just feel like, let me just go and marry this person now, let my parents stop putting pressure on me. And that is really wrong, because you will end up, maybe 1 year you just say you're fed up, you can't do this, and then it's now going to be taboo that you just filed for divorce. You are not even married up to how long, you are doing this, you are doing that, just because you went in for peer pressure. I think the right thing to do is to consider what you really want. What do you want? Do you want to go ahead with this, or you don't want to do it? Is it your parents that are pushing you, or your friends are pushing you to do this? Because this kind of thing, it definitely end in tears. It will still end in tears last, because you are not happy. This is not what you want. Sometimes it might end in happiness, because you might find the person lovable, you might find the person like someone that you really want to stay with. But then what if you don't find the person enjoyable? What if you don't find the person attractive? What will you do? It will still end in tears. So try to distinguish between when it's peer pressure that's leading you into a relationship, or when it is actually you that want to go into a relationship. Your partner is responsible for your happiness. I know some people will come for me and tell me no, it's not. Yes, at the beginning of things, when you are just meeting yourself, getting to know yourself, I can understand that he's not responsible for it. I'm talking from a lady's standpoint, okay? I understand that he's not responsible for your happiness because he doesn't know you and all. But when you come together or get married and stuff, that person has a place in your heart, and the person can influence your mood at any point. So if you're feeling down, your partner is supposed to raise you up. He is supposed to be your happy place, okay? That's why I say he's responsible for your happiness, okay? So you might see it from any other point, and then I would like you to leave your own point of view in the comment section. But this is my own standpoint, okay? At some point, he can say some things and I can change my mood to a happy one, because he holds that place in my heart. I have given him that opportunity. I have given him that throne, Ocheze, that king's throne. So he should not just fold his arms and say, I'm not responsible for happiness, I'm going to go my way. No, you have a role to play when I'm sad, okay? And so do I have a role to play when you are sad, because I know that you have given me that privilege of being the queen of your heart, okay? So please, your partner is responsible for your happiness, believe it or not. Dating should lead to something. In my own case, please, dating should lead to marriage. I can't come and waste my heart with you. I can't come and waste my time with you, and then we are just testing the waters. See, dating should lead to marriage, or I don't know, whatever I want to lead to for you, but to me, it should lead to marriage. We shouldn't date and waste our time, our lives, and then we go our separate ways after wasting 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. If you don't have plan for this relationship, I am not entering. You can't come and bring a child, a queen like me, and I will come and waste my time doing what? Testing the water. Some banner. It should lead somewhere. You should have a direction, okay? And I have my own plans. You should have your own plans for this relationship, and not that we'll just be dating. Let's see how it will go. Let's see. Let's see. 10 years, we are still seeing. What are we seeing? What are we seeing? The future. Calm down, guy. Dating should lead to marriage, okay? So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you did enjoy it, or you did not enjoy it, or you have a different view from all these things I've just said, please leave your comments in the comment section. Do give this video a huge thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe if you have not by hitting the red subscribe button down below, and also hitting the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Guys, I hope you did enjoy this video as I enjoyed filming it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next one.